चतुर्थोऽध्यायः ध्यानम् ॐ कालाभ्रापां कटाक्षैररिकुलभयदाम् कालाभ्राभाम् मौलिबद्धेन्दुरेखाम् कालाभ्राभां कटाक्षैररिकुलभयदाम् मौलिबद्धेन्दुरेखाम् शङ्खं चक्रं कृपाणम् कृपाणं not कृपाणां no दीर्घं ते कृपाणं शङ्खं चक्रं कृपाणं त्रिशिखमपि करैरुद्वहन्तीं त्रिनेत्राम् शङ्खं चक्रं कृपाणं त्रिशिखमपि करैरुद्वहन्तीं त्रिनेत्राम् कालाभ्राभां कटाक्षैररिकुलभयदां मौलिबद्धेन्दुरेखाम् शङ्खं चक्रं कृपाणं त्रिशिखमपि करैरुद्वहन्तीं त्रिनेत्राम् कटाक्षैररिकुलभयदां
मौलिबद्धेन्दुरेखाम् शङ्खं चक्रं कृपाणं त्रिशिखमपि करैरुद्वहन्तीं त्रिनेत्राम्
सिंहस्कन्धाधिरूढाम् त्रिभुवनमखिलम् तेजसा पूरयन्तीम् सिंहस्कन्धाधिरूढाम् त्रिभुवनमखिलं तेजसा पूरयन्तीम् ध्यायेत् दुर्गां जयाख्याम् त्रिदश परिवृताम् सेवितां सिद्धिकामैः ध्यायेत् दुर्गां जयाख्यां त्रिदश परिवृतां सेवितां सिद्धिकामैः
दुर्गां जयाख्यां त्रिदश परिवृतां सेवितां त्रिदश परिवृताम् सेविताम् सिद्धिकामैः
सिंहस्कन्धाधिरूढाम् त्रिभुवनमखिलम् तेजसा पूरयन्तीम् ध्यायेत् दुर्गाम् जयाख्याम् त्रिदश परिवृताम् सेविताम् सिद्धिकामैः
सिंहस्कन्धाधिरूढाम् त्रिभुवनमखिलम् तेजसा पूरयन्तीम् ध्यायेत् दुर्गाम् जयाख्याम् त्रिदश परिवृताम् सेविताम् सिद्धिकामैः सिंहस्कन्धाधिरूढाम् त्रिभुवनमखिलम् तेजसा पूरयन्तीम् ध्यायेत् दुर्गाम् जयाख्याम् त्रिदश परिवृताम् सेविताम् सिद्धिकामैः
ॐ कालाभ्राभां कटाक्षैररिकुलभयदां मौलिबद्धेन्दुरेखां शङ्खं चक्रं कृपाणं त्रिशिखमपि करैरुद्वहन्तीं त्रिनेत्रां सिंहस्कन्धाधिरूढां त्रिभुवनमखिलं तेजसां पूरयन्तीम् ध्यायेत् दुर्गाम् जयाख्याम् त्रिदश परिवृताम् सेविताम् सिद्धिकामैः
ॐ कालाभ्राभाम् कटाक्षैररिकुलभयदाम् मौलिबद्धेन्दुरेखाम् शङ्खम् चक्रम् कृपाणम् त्रिशिखमपि करैरुद्वहन्तीम् त्रिनेत्राम् सिंहस्कन्धाधिरूढाम् त्रिभुवनमखिलम् तेजसा पूरयन्तीम् ध्यायेत् दुर्गाम् जयाख्याम् त्रिदश परिवृताम् सेविताम् सिद्धिकामैः ॐ कालाभ्राभाम् कटाक्षैररिकुलभयदाम् मौलिबद्धेन्दुरेखाम् शङ्खम् चक्रम् कृपाणम् त्रिशिखमपि करैरुद्वहन्तीम् त्रिनेत्राम् सिंहस्कन्धाधिरूढाम् त्रिभुवनमखिलम् तेजसा पूरयन्तीम् ध्यायेत् दुर्गाम् जयाख्याम् त्रिदश परिवृताम् सेविताम् सिद्धिकामैः
Kalabrabham. Kala means, it is dark. Abhra. Abhra means it is clouds, dark clouds. Kalabhra abham. Abha means equal to that. So, her katakshay arikula bhayadam. Her eyes, they are katakshay. Arikula bhayadam. Arikula means they are, for the demons, it induces fear in them. Her dark clouds, her eyes are like dark clouds which induces fear in the enemies. Arikula bhayadam means not only demons, enemies in general. Arikula bhayadam. Mauli baddhendu rekha. Mauli means crown. Baddha means tied. Indu rekha. It is just a crescent moon. One line of moon. Crescent moon. So, Indu rekha, it is tied to her crown. Kala brabham. Her eyes are like black, dark clouds which induces fear in the enemies, and she is wearing a crown tied with a crescent moon. Okay? Shankam Chakram Kripanam Trishikhamapi. So there are 4 things that are shown in her hands. Okay? Shankam, you all know it is Shankam, conch. Chakram. Kripanam is the Abhaya Mudra. Kripanam. Trishikha is the trident. Trishonam. Trishikham api karai udvahanti. Karai udvahanti, karairudvahanti. That sandhi comes there. Karaihi udvahanti. It is shown, her hands are showing all these things. Shankam, Chakram, Abhayamudra and the Trishula. All the four things are seen in her hands. Trinetra, she has got 3 eyes. Simhaskandhadi Rudam. Skandha means back or the shoulder. She is seated on the shoulders of the Simha. Simhaskandhadi Arudha means seated on that. She is on that, she is seated. Tribhuvanam Akhilam Tejasa Purayanti. Her Tejas is filled all the 3 worlds. It is filling her Tejas, how the brightness of her Tejas. It fills all the 3 worlds. Tribhuvanam Akhilam Tejasa Purayanti. It completely fills, her radiance completely fills all the 3 worlds. Dhyaye Durgam Jayakhyam. Worship, I worship, I meditate on that Durga, who is also called Jaya. Because she always, Durga means only victory, there is no failure there. So she is also called Jaya. So I meditate on Durga, who is also called Jaya. Tridasha Parivrutham Sevitam Siddhigamehi. The 30 gods, 30 or 33 gods. Tridasha means 30. Parivrutham, she is surrounded by the 33 gods, celestials, who keep worshipping her Siddhigamehi to fulfill all their desires. She is surrounded by 30 gods, 30 celestials all the time, who are worshipping her to fulfill all their wishes. Okay, this is the Dhyana Slokam of this. So as I told you before, this is called the 4th chapter, the few 23 verses that are going to come are called Shakradi Stuti. Shakra is meant for Indra. Indra is called Shakra. So Adi means Indra and other gods. They all keep praising her. And as I told you, this is in Vasanta Tilaka meter. Vasanta Tilaka meter. All this while we were seeing Anushtup Chandas, which has got exactly 8 in one line, 16, 32 in the verse, 2 lines. Vasanta Tilaka meter has got 56 syllables. 56 syllables in each verse, divided like it. So there is a slight, it is like, there are 4 hymns that come in this Devi Mahatmya. First we saw Brahma Stuti in the first Devi. And now it is Shakradi Stuti. And the next one comes Namo Devi Mahadevi Shivaya Sattvam Namaha. And the last one is Narayana Stuti. For all the Stutis, this is considered to be the most beautiful one. So this also like, when the gods praise her, they also ask, like whoever recites this should get all these things. This is for the benefit of everybody they have recited. That is also another speciality of this particular hymn. Okay, there is a slight change in the tune because of the number of syllables that are there. Okay. Om Rushir Vacha.
Om Rushir Vacha. Om Rushir Vacha.
Shakradaya Shuragana Nihate Divirye Tasmin Duratmani Surari Bale Chadevya Shakradaya Suragana Nihate Divirye
Shakradaya Suragana Nihate Divirye Shakradaya Suragana Nihate Divirye
Tasmin Duratmani Surari Bale Chadevya
Tasmin Duratmani Surari Bale Chadevya Tasmin Duratmani Surari Bale Chadevya
Shakradaya Suragana Nihate Divirye Tasmin duratmani surari bale devya.
Shakradaya suragana nihateti virye. Tasmin duratmani surari bale devya. Shakradaya suragana nihateti virye. Tasmin duratmani surari bale devya.
Tam tushtu pranati namra shirodharam sa.
Tam tushtu pranati namra shirodharam sa. Tam tushtu pranati namra shirodharam sa.
You can just make the breaks because pranati namra shirodharamsa. Shirodharamsa. Pranati namra shirodharamsa. Vagbif praharsha.
Vagbih praharsha. Vagbih praharsha.
Pulakodgama charudeha.
Pulakodgama charudeha. Pulakodgama charudeha.
Vagbif praharsha pulakodgama charudeha.
Vagbih praharsha pulakodgama charudeha. Vagbih praharsha pulakodgama charudeha.
Tam tushtuvuh pranati namra shirodharamsa. Vagbih praharsha pulakodgama charudeha.
Tam tushtuvuh pranati namra shirodharamsa. Vagbih praharsha pulakodgama charudeha. Tam tushtuvuh pranati namra shirodharamsa. Vagbih praharsha pulakodgama charudeha.
Shakradaya suragana nihate divirye. Tasmin duratmani surari bale devya. Tam tushtuvuh pranati namra shirodharamsa. Vagbih praharsha pulakodgama charudeha.
Shakradaya suragana nihateti virye. Tasmin duratmani surari bale devya. Tam tushtuvuh pranati namra shirodharamsa. Vagbih praharsha pulakodgama charudeha. Shakradaya suragana nihateti virye. Tasmin duratmani surari bale devya. Tam tushtuvuh pranati namra shirodharamsa. Vagbih praharsha pulakodgama charudeha.
Shakradaya suragana. All the gods starting with Indra. What they did now. Nihateti viri tasmin duratmani. Mahisha has been described here as a wicked person. Duratma. But he is brave. Viri. Nihate means who was struck down. Who was destroyed. The moment when Mahisha got destroyed, Mahisha, who is brave and evil-minded, got destroyed, the Devi, destroyed by Devi, Shakradaya Suragana, the Indra and other gods, Surari Balecha Devi, Tasmin Duratmani Surari Balecha Devya. Not only him, his army, Surari Bala, his army also got destroyed by her when she destroyed the wicked but brave Mahisha and his army. The Indra and other gods, Tam Tushtuvuh. They were so pleased So they were so pleased. The Indra and the other gods were pleased when Mahisha and his army were destroyed. Pranati Namra Shirodhara. Their head, Namra means bent. Bent in showing respect. Pranati Namra. With respect they have bent their head. So they are Vagbif Praharsha Pulakodgama Charudeha. They started praising her. Vagbif Praharsha, with extreme happiness. Like, extreme joy, that bliss kind of a thing, because the enemy is gone now. And it is been destroyed by Devi. So they were extremely joyful, extremely happy. So in that Vagbif, so they just praised her with few sloks, tutis. Charudeha, there, like, sometimes the goosebumps you get. Charudeha, with the, with goosebumps. They were so elated. When you are in kind of an extreme bliss, you get that goosebumps when something beautiful happens. So like that, they were in that kind of a mindset. So Indra and other gods, they started praising her. Devyaya tadamidam.
Devyaya tatamidam. Devyaya tatamidam.
Jagadatma Shaktya.
Jagadatma Shaktya. Jagadatma Shaktya.
Devyaya tadamidam Jagadatma Shaktya.
Devyaya tadamidam Jagadatma Shaktya. Devyaya tadamidam Jagadatma Shaktya.
Next one, Nissesha Devagana Shakti Samuha Murtya. Okay? I don't know, because it is in Sanskrit I am reading. They are all put together like that. I don't know about other languages how they have put it. You are reading Sanskrit, no? Yeah. Nissesha Devagana Shakti Samuha Murtya.
Nishesha Deva Gana Shakti Samuha Murtya. Nishesha Deva Gana Shakti Samuha Murtya.
Devyaya tadamidam Jagadatma Shaktya. Nishesha Deva Gana Shakti Samuha Murtya.
Devyaya tadamidam Jagadatma Shaktya. Nishesha Deva Gana Shakti Samuha Murtya. Devyaya tatamidam Jagadatma Shaktya. Nishesha Deva Gana Shakti Samuha Murtya.
Tamambikam Akhila Deva Maharshi Pujya. Tam Ambikam Akhila Deva Maharshi Pujya. Okay? But together when we are going to say it, Tamambikam Akhila Deva.
Tamambikam Akhila Deva. Tamambikam Akhila Deva.
Maharshi Pujyam.
Maharshi Pujyam. Maharshi Pujyam.
Bhaktya Nadasma Vidadhatu.
Bhaktya vidadhatu. Bhaktya vidadhatu.
Bhaktya. Imla. Okay. Bhaktya natasma vidadhatu shubhani sanaha.
Bhaktya natasma vidadhatu shubhani sanaha. Bhaktya natasma vidadhatu shubhani sanaha.
Tamambikam Akhila Deva Maharshi Pujyam. Bhaktya nathasma vidadhatu shubhani sanaha.
Tamambikam Akhila Deva Maharshi Pujyam. Bhaktya natasma vidadhatu shubhani sanaha. Tamambikam Akhila Deva Maharshi महर्षि पूज्याम् भक्त्या नता स्म विदधातु शुभानि सानः
देव्या यया तदमिदं जगदात्मशक्त्या निःशेष देवगणशक्ति समूहमूर्त्या तामम्बिकामखिल देव महर्षि पूज्यां भक्त्या नता स्म विदधातु शुभानि सानः
देव्या यया तदमिदं जगदात्मशक्त्या निःशेष देवगणशक्ति समूहमूर्त्या तामम्बिकामखिल देव महर्षि पूज्याम् भक्त्या नता स्म विदधातु शुभानि सानः देव्या यया ततमिदं जगदात्मशक्त्या निःशेष देवगणशक्ति समूहमूर्त्या तामम्बिकामखिल देव महर्षि पूज्याम् भक्त्या नता स्म विदधातु शुभानि सानः
देव्या यया तदमिदं जगदात्मशक्त्या. The entire world emerged from her. Atma Shakti, she is the conscience of the entire world. So, Devya Yaya Tadamidam, the world came out of her power. In fact, Shaktam explains that she expands into the world. Prakriti, as a Prakriti, she expands, one becomes many. She is so, that is the reason we have her presence in each and every being of this world. Whether it is from the stone, Anda Charachara, from the stones to, from the metals, stones, everything, to human beings, even the dead celestials, we saw that. From to the, up to the celestials, everybody, she is the indwelling with consciousness, indwelling Shakti in everything. Atma Shakti. She is the Atma Shakti in every being. Nissesha Deva Gana Shakti Samoha Murtya. Nissesha means not left out, not anyone, everyone. It means Nissesha. Sesha means leaving out. Nissesha means not leaving out any Deva, any celestial. It is only from her all their powers they got it. Nissesha Deva Gana Shakti Samoha Murtya. So the combination of all their Shakti, it is her. One from her, everyone got it. And we saw when Shakti Mahisha, the Durga was formed, that everybody's stages emerged and then it all became one. The Shakti which was in them got emerged and it went back to the source from where it started. So, Nissesha Deva Gana Shakti Samoha Murtya. Tam Ambika Makhila Deva Maharshi Pujyam. She is worshipped by everybody. Deva, Maharshi, all great seers, saints, everyone, they all Bhaktya Natasma. With the devotion they bend their, do pranam to her, bend their head. With bhakti they are devoted. With devotion they bow down to her in devotion. Natas vidadadu shubhani. So may her grant all shubhani, all auspicious things to everybody. This is the one. We will stop with this today. I just wanted to start it off. So next week we will continue this. We will recite whatever we learned today. Okay? Small one, but it is okay. Chaturtho Dhyaya Dhyanam Om Kala Brabham Katakshayarikula Bhayadam Mauli Baddendurekam Shankam Chakram Kripanam Trishikamapi Karairudvahantim Trinetram Simhaskandhadirudham Tribhuvanamakilam
तेजसा पूरयन्तीं ध्यायेत् दुर्गां जयाख्यां त्रिदश परिवृतां सेवितां सिद्धिकामयीं। ॐ ऋषिर्वाच शक्रादयः सुरगणा निहतेति वीर्ये तस्मिन् दुरात्मनि सुरारिबले च देव्या तां तुष्टुवुः प्रणतिनम्रशिरोधरां सा वाग्विप्रहर्ष पुलकोद्गमच्चारुदेहा देव्यायया ततमिदं जगदात्मशक्त्या निःशेषदेवगणशक्तिः समूहमूर्त्या तामम्बिकामखिलदेवमहर्षिपूज्यां भक्त्या नतास्म विदधातु शुभानि सा नः।